her. She didn't ask me for help. God. She wants my phone. I always open it early so I can eat the flavor. Cause the flavor be bussin'. That's one reason I put 2 minutes. I never met a person in my life that has not enough to be angry after they serve a real good person. That 5 times, but they still back there alive. Now you need to what I'm telling y'all. Day to day, be grateful. Please, Lord God, everything. What's good, angels? I just got it done. I'm just seasoning it. It's so good. Last time. So now you don't think the fork and go like this to get it off? I didn't do it. The rest I did. Yeah, you did. The vlog, y'all. So now from the sport, you feel me? A sport. I come with sports. Sports. So yeah, I'm gonna spoke. This is spoke. I just call it spoke. That's what. Put them on your skirt. Oh, I see you, spoke. I see you. I see you.
Right when I'm done.
Oh, wow, bro. Don't you gotta read? Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You gotta read for 20 minutes.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Says who? You read already?
No.
Oh, Ooh. Ooh. I see. Oh, she don't feel coming. So, y'all. Breastfeeding. I'm gonna call y'all picking. Biting. I said biting. Bye. Y'all think I was gonna no, I did this. Bye, y'all.